Hi, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be teaching you how to mount or flash Windows installation media onto a flash drive. This way you can install it on any computer that you want. First, I'm going to point out that Microsoft provides this tool, and this tool is completely free and legal to use to download the ISO image of Windows 10. First, I'm going to show you that the page here is very easy to read. It's very easy to comprehend. You can create Windows 10 installation media here by clicking the download tool now. It also comes with the May creators update. You can download that at a later date, but that's also included in the ISO image that you're about to download. Okay, to download that, just click this download tool now button here. Also, you're going to need something called Rufus. Rufus is something that is a beautiful tool, actually. Sorry for that. It uses the ISO image and then mounts it or flashes it onto a flash drive, so that way you can use the BIOS to boot from the flash drive instead of the hard drive, and that way you can get to the installation of Windows 10. Okay. So now we have both of these already downloaded. Here, I just have a messy documents folder. Sorry about that. Okay. Rufus is here. So let me tell you a little bit about Rufus. No. And okay. Now, Rufus can be used to mount anything you want that's an ISO image. Now, we already have both of these downloaded for you as a courtesy kind of thing, because sometimes they take long to download, but in my case I have blast internet, so it's like 180 meg or something like that. So not bragging. I'm just saying it's just with your internet speed it may differ. Okay, so go ahead and click out of this. Okay, so let's boot both of the applications up. It'll just take a second. Okay. Just take a few more seconds. Okay, first what we're going to do here is we're going to download the Windows ISO installation files. So of course you get this, binding licenses and stuff like that, these agreements that you have to accept. Just click accept, that's nothing. Okay. So, like I said, first we're downloading the installation media, then we're going to mount the installation media onto a flash drive. It shouldn't take long at all, but I'm going to pause the video, the recording because it's going to take a little bit, so yeah. Okay, now we're at the screen. So we don't want to upgrade this PC now. What we want to do is create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD, ISO file, or for another PC. That's what we want to click. So we want to click on that, select that option, and then click next. And the recommended settings are pretty good, so this is perfect. It's 64-bit, it's Windows 10, English. You can change it to whatever you want by unchecking this and changing the options, but for now we're going to leave it as recommended. Okay, next. And then we want to click ISO file, and then click next. And then we want to save it to the desktop, seeing how it's not as messy. And now it's going to download the entire Windows installation media. It shouldn't take long, but it's still going to be a little bit too long to the point where I have to stop the recording. So I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Okay, so we're at 99%. Just one more percent. There we go. Alright. I forgot about this part. I think this part's going to take a little bit longer too. Pause the video, I guess. Okay, let's try this one more time. Alright. So now we have the media downloaded, which is right here. It'll be named Windows unless you want to change it to something else beforehand. Or afterhand. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Okay, we have a flash drive in the back of the PC right now, hooked up into a USB 3.0 port. Alright, so that being said, here is the flash drive right here. It's a 32 gig. You can have, I think 16 gig is like the minimum you want to go, because you never know when the file size is going to change. Other than that, 16 gig should be fine. 8 gig should be fine, actually. Let me do the properties real quick. Oh, 8 gig would work perfectly. Yeah, only 4 gigabyte file. Okay, now we want to mount select the file. We want to just click select. Browse for the desktop where the Windows ISO is. It's right here. Okay, it's going to say all these different weird things you're not going to understand, but point it simply, if you have a UEFI based system is newer, you want to set this to GPT and UEFI. Okay, if you don't and you have an older system, a legacy BIOS, you want to select MBR and it'll automatically give you both. Now, in this case, we're going to do GPT because it's a UEFI system. I think the UEFI systems came along when, I might be wrong on this, but they might have come along 2010, probably 2009, because some first gen i7s and stuff like that didn't have the capability, or maybe they're just transferring it on. So it's really easy to figure out. You could go into your BIOS, which I'm going to show you how to do later on in another video, but I'm going to show you how to check to see which one is which and how to set it to which one you want it to be. Okay, so the volume label, we could change it to anything. You don't have to, but I like to put it as something very blatant. We just put Windows 10. It's FAT32, 16 kilobytes. That's fine. That's fine. It says it's ready, so then we start, and then you click. Notice that it's going to say all data on device is going to be lost. If you have anything on there that you don't want deleted forever, you might want to back it up. Okay, so also note that when you're installing Windows 10, you might want to back up your whole entire system anyways, because you're going to have to format it and you're going to lose all your data. So you want to make sure that you get everything backed up onto some kind of internal hard drive or whatever, flash drive, whatever. Make sure you back up all your account information, like passwords, files, not cookies, but history or favorites in your browser, whatever you want. Just make sure you back all that stuff up. So okay, now we're going to continue by clicking OK, and it's going to delete all the partitions, and then it's going to start making the GPT and file. Yeah, you get it. It's doing everything right now. So okay, I'll just let that run. Actually, I'm not gonna stop the video, or maybe I might. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the video. Alright, we're back again. Sorry for so many pausings in the recording, but you probably don't want to wait as long as I'm waiting. So, okay, it's almost done. pretty much after this completes, you're ready to go. You can right click on the start menu and go to restart now, and pretty much you leave the USB drive in the USB slot. Then you restart the computer, and then say for instance Gigabyte, F12 boots to the when you're in the BIOS. Before you get to the BIOS, when it first turns back on after you restart it, you want to keep hitting the F12 button, because that's going to load you into the boot menu, and it may be advanced enough to let you boot the flash drive as UEFI. And hold on, having a little bit of a brain fart. I can't see it in front of my face, so it's like kind of I'm recollecting what it is. But you keep hitting the F12 button to go into the boot menu. When you get to the boot menu, it'll say either UEFI or legacy or whatever, and you just click on what corresponds to what you have. Then there's another video that I uploaded that shows you how to get through the Windows installation after it's been booted up. You can check that out. It's a very simple video. It pretty much it's one of those watch and click videos. Just click away, and but it'll help you. So, but that's it. If you have any questions, give me some comments in the section below. If you want to request anything, section below. Like my channel or videos, subscribe, do whatever, and I appreciate it. Alright, have a good day. Bye.